So I'd like to look at some syntax errors. So we'll open our test.java file here. We'll intentionally make some errors and look at the compiler output with the intention of being able to fix errors when we don't make them intentionally. So we'll make a class test, and inside our class we'll put our main function, public static void main. And let's start by simply omitting a semicolon at the end of a statement. Get our stub file set up here, string args, body of the main, and let's do a simple system.out.println, and we'll omit the semicolon, put a string in here, and we'll save and quit without the semicolon, compile, and check out the output. And you see the compiler complains. It tells us the line number, line 5, and it simply tells us it expects a semicolon. So we can go back in there and fix that. Here's a quick VIM trick. If you do set NU in command mode, it gives you the line numbers. So you see there on line 5, no semicolon. So we can, of course, fix that, save and quit, and compile again. And we will see that the compiler is happy this time. And then we can run the program and you observe the expected output, outputting the string. Go back into our test file. Let's omit the ending quote here, so we didn't properly close the string. Compile that. Once again, the compiler complains, gives us the line number, and unclosed string literal. So that means close your quote, and then you see it prints out the line for you, and there's no corresponding ending quote. So of course we can go in and fix that, make the compiler happy, and make our program work. Now let's go back into the file and let's misspell the function name. So let's mess up system.out.println. And we'll save and quit that. Now we got system.out.println. And this one's a little more subtle, but basically it's saying the method printl doesn't know what that is. It's not in java.lang.string. That's because we forgot that n. In Java they call the functions methods. Same thing. A method and a function are the same thing. It's a block of code intended to do some stuff. So it says that it does on line 5 does not recognize that method because it's not an actual method. So if we fix it back to print line, works fine, compile, no complaints, run the program, and it looks good. Of course, you could try some other errors.